Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and good afternoon to all the participants in ICTE conference. Today, I would like to present about the development of attendance monitoring system with artificial intelligence optimization in cloud computing. Okay, my name is Muhammad Fakir bin Naim. The current method of taking student attendance used by the academic institution using the attendance or paper is not secure. This is because it allows the student to cheat, or other than that, the attendance sheet may be lost during the circulation. Therefore, there is a need for a new and modern way of tracking and managing attendance record of students in higher institutions effectively and efficiently. An automatic attendance management system using biometry would provide the needed solution. An attendance management system is a software developed for daily student attendance in school and institution. Such a system has been developed before this, but a biometric monitoring system is not widely utilized in primary, secondary, or even institution higher. Okay, next is about the problem statement. Okay, the most common means of tracking student attendance within the classroom is by enforcing the student to manually sign the attendance sheet, which is generally passed around the classroom while the lecturer is conducting the lecture. Some students may accidentally sign for another student name. Other than that, the attendance sheet may lost during the classroom. Okay. Therefore, biometric technology can solve this problem, and a proposed fingerprint-based attendance system would be ideal for implementation in university for identification and by organization for attendance monitoring of their students. Okay, next is among the various biometric technique, there is 9 biometric technique that is widely used, such as fingerprint, face, hand wave, hand geometry, iris, retina, pattern, watchprint, signature, and facial thermogram. A comparison of different biometric techniques has shown that fingerprint-based is reliable, mature, and legally accepted biometric technique. Okay, this is a related word from the past study. First is a system that was designed using Arduino UNO, and an optical fingerprint acquisition module was proposed by Rahman. Second is a wireless fingerprint attendance management system was proposed using biometric and wireless to solve the matter of superior attendance. Next is an efficient web-based application for the attendance management system to track student activity in the class, also has proposed. Number 4 is a system use of intelligence system in classroom for recording student attendance was proposed. And lastly, biometric based participant monitoring framework was proposed to analyze and monitoring participants in educational institution. Okay, next is research methodology. in this study, there are 5 activities, which is feasibility study, literature review, system development, software and hardware integration, and lastly is system testing. For the feasibility study, the requirement as stated and observation has been made to be implemented in the project plan or concept for the study. Next is in literature review. The related work on the paper has been found and analyzed. For the system development, evolution prototyping has been used as SDLC or software development lifecycle in this system. And lastly is the system have been tested. A proposed attendance monitoring system. A framework for system and attendance monitoring system or SAM has been proposed, which is in practice the fingerprint reader in each classroom and connected via communication protocol to the classroom computer. The classroom computer, this one, has attended application program in ASP.NET to interface with the various existing attendance module and match the information retrieved from the database server with a fingerprint. According to the flowchart, this application will communicate with database server via the school network. Okay, the next is the interface for the SAM system. This login panel, and this is after the teacher has login. This is the teacher dashboard. Okay, if teacher want to add new student, firstly teacher need to add fingerprint of the student and then need to fill the information of the student. Okay, after the student scan the fingerprint, the teacher can view the attendance for the student. Moreover, the teacher can print the attendance and export to Excel. And this is the view absent reason interface. Okay, lastly, in the attendance monitoring system, the use of the neural network convolutional, okay, or we call it CNN, which application of CNN or deep convolutional neural network that accept the layer. For example, if the fingerprint cannot be detected, the SB scan with CNN, the system can find the closely match the fingerprint feature. This makes the SAM system more accurate and effectively. Okay, this is the result and discussion. The result and discussion is divided by the three, which is functionality testing, usability testing, and ISN testing. Okay, for the functionality testing, 93.3% respondent answer yes and 6.6 respondent answer no. Okay, next is the usability testing. 80.6% answer yes, 20.2% answer maybe and 1.1% answer no. Okay, for the integration of SMS notification, most of the responders has answered yes, and only 6.6 responder answer maybe. Okay, in conclusion, a fingerprint recognition attendance system will be developed to replace the traditional attendance system that is currently widely used by many educational institutions. This project will be considered successful when hybrid student attendance is developed. This system is designed to make the whole attendance taking process become more reliable, convenient, efficient, and accurate. Besides that, the implementation of biometric technology with integration of web-based system will help in reducing error, and attendance data will be compiled more effectively. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.